In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your Webflow website project. So firstly, open up Webflow and log into your Webflow account. Once you have logged into your Webflow account, simply select the website which you want to publish. So simply select it, click on it and select it. So once you have selected it, you'll get to this page here. So here, what we're going to do once you're done with all your editings and everything. So if you're ready to publish, what you have to do is click on this publish option, which is on your top right here all the way. Click on the publish option here, and here you're going to choose the domain. So whether you want to use the staging domain, which is like the built-in one from Webflow, so which is that, or you can choose the production one, which is like adding a custom domain. So if you already have a domain or you want to buy a domain, hit on this add a custom domain and follow a few on-screen prompt to add those custom domains. So either way you choose it, and then all you have to do is hit on publish to select the domains. Hit on it and that's it. Your site will now be published, and that's basically pretty much it is.